This clip is an introduction to the practical guideline on the project Setup and ITS Connectivity of Safe and Secure Truck Parking Areas in Romania along the TEN-T Core Network corridors. It was financed by the Connecting Europe facility of the European Union. What is secure truck parking? It involves security, service, safety, and connectivity. The guideline examines the legal status, best practices, quality and certification, do's and don'ts, future trends, and further information on safe and secure truck parking areas across the European Union. You will see a host of examples of successful implementations of safe and secure truck parking areas. Go to www.secureparkingtips.eu to download the study or read it online.